So this is going to be a quick tutorial on showing how I use loose makeup pigment to make a polish color. So I was able to get this one right here from this color and this beautiful color right here from using this one, and I'm about to show you how. I am going to use these two colors on these two plain ones that I have right here. So I am going to use my Tomika gel polish. I'm going to use the base coat, and then I'm going to use the top coat later. So I'm first going to add my base coat. And we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. So now that that cured for 30 seconds, I'm going to take it out and I'm going to get my first color. I'm going to use this makeup brush. This is the Urban Decay electric brush that comes with the palette. So I'm going to use this one just to pick up the pigment. So we're going to go with this color first. Now that that cured for 30 seconds, I'm going to just wipe it all off. And then we're going to go in with a top coat. I can assume you can do maybe another layer. I've never tried it. I've only done one layer before on these over here, and it came out really nice. And then I just put the top coat. These colors look so pretty. Now I'm going to put the top coat on. Okay, and I said 60, but I did 90. After 90 seconds, these are the results. Look at how pretty. Look at that. So that's this one. And this is this one. I love this one. This is so pretty. So that was quick, simple, and easy using eyeshadows for colors on the nail polish. I thought that was pretty cool. I just tried it out. I figured it would work the same as the other pigments that they have for nails, and so I think that's pretty awesome. So I have tons of eyeshadows I'm gonna try out, and if you guys do the same, just tag me on your photos. I would love to see them. Comment down below if you want to see more eyeshadow polishes on here, and I will do some more. I do have another one that I do want to try. I've been thinking about it, and I'm going to try it on the next one, so please stay tuned for that. I think you guys are going to love it. Bye.